In this video, we are going to talk about rational numbers. An example has already been given. Okay, so if a question has been posed like that to say express 0.3 bar in a form of A over B, how can you express that one? They simply mean the bar which is on top there, actually it gives a meaning to say the answer you're going to get after expressing it in a form of a fraction, it must give you 0.33333. The numbers must be continuously be going in a form of 3. That's the meaning of a bar. Now, if a bar is just like that, we say you have to know these are what we call um, good numbers. Good numbers, they simply mean a number which has a bar just after the decimal point. So this, for you to come up with this and express it in a form of that, what you have to do is you need to write it in two different expressions. The first expression, so since this one is already having a bar just after the decimal point, meaning that I'll say let x be equal to 0.3. This or automatically is a true number or a good number. Why? Because it has a bar already. Meaning that the next thing, I'll make sure that this number which is here, like I said, it can be written like 0.3333. So our main aim is to have a number just after the decimal point. It must have what? A bar on top. So in this case, we can have this one to be our first number. Then the second number, you have to say, since you said let x be equal to that, which simply means this number has a bar just after the decimal point. The next thing, for you to have a bar again after the decimal point, you need to understand that you can multiply this number by a number which is going to move this decimal point to that side. What could be that number? Automatically it has to what? It has to be 10. Then you say 10 multiplied by everything. Like I said, say x be equal to what? 0.3 bar. So the meaning of 0.3 bar, it simply means 0.333, and then it will keep on moving just like that. So do like this. If you multiply, you're going to get 10x giving you 3.3 bar. This point has moved to the other side where it has 0.33, something like that. And then the next thing what you have to understand, so this becomes your second equation, and that one becomes your first equation. So you say subtract the first equation from second equation. So I'm going to write it like 10x giving you 3.3 bar. Then the first expression we are saying is what? X has to be equal to 0.3 bar. So you say subtract, we are subtracting like this. So you say 10x minus x, it has to give us 9x. It has to be equal to, so when you subtract this part, you're going to get 3. So you divide throughout by 9, and also here by 9. Then this has to give you what? 1 over 3. If you take this into that, you're going to understand that your x is going to be equal to 0.33 continuously, just like that. Hence, done. This is a simple stuff. Simple stuff. I don't know how to write a stuff. Yeah, that's the meaning here. Okay, stay inspired, stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching the video. So subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you should be in touch with our channel. Thank you.